Abu Qilaba states that Abu Mali said to me, I along with your father went to Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu. He said, my fasting was mentioned to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam came to me. I spread a leather mattress stuffed with the bark of date palm for him. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam sat down on the earth, whereas that mattress was lying between me and him. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said to me, is not it sufficient for you to keep 3-day fasting per month? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, 5. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, 7. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, 9. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, 11. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, no fasting is better than Hazrat David's fasting. He alayhi salam would fast one day and leave it other day. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2733.